My name is Priya. I am from BSc Chemistry Honours second year. Today I am going to do an experiment of our organic chemistry which have name to identify the given organic compound. We have taken a small amount of that organic compound. Now we notice the color of this compound. The color of this compound is white. Now we will smell this compound and note down the order of this compound. So this compound is orderless. If we will talk about its state, then it's solid in state. Now we will test for its solubility, whether it's soluble in hot water or in cold water.
Now we take a small amount of a organic compound in test tube for checking the solubility. Now dissolve in a water so given compound and shake it.
We can see it starts dissolving in cold water.
Now can see that जो organic compound completely dissolve in cold water. Now we take organic compound on spatula and ignition test. This is the white
We can see
and the present white smoky flame. Then confirm that maybe it is the aliphatic compound. Doing pre-chemical test of a given compound. First test is the FeCl test. Now in the given compound and add FeCl3. Now we get buff color when dissolves unknown compounds in FeCl3. Take small amount of a H2SO4 dilute. Now we add the solution of a FeCl unknown compound in H2SO4.
डिवाइड किया होता है और जो सिक्स्थ ग्रुप है उसको हम जीरो ग्रुप भी बोलते हैं ठीक है ओके क्या रहता है कहां तक कराया
Then we can say that unknown compound is confirmatory test.
कौन से केटाइंस होते हैं फर्स्ट
Then
कौन से होते हैं
now we doing H2SO4 concentration H2SO4 test. This is the unknown compound and add 2-3 ml of a concentrated H2SO4.
ये क्या होता है एक्वारेजिया जो मर्क्यूरी आयन होता है उसके लिए कंफर्मेटरी जो टेस्ट होता है वो एक्वारेजिया के साथ उसकी रिएक्शन होगी ठीक है तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे मर्क्यूरी क्लोराइड बना हुआ है अमोनियम सल्फेट
Now we boil it. White milky color is appears, then we can say that oxalic acid may be present.
ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड के डेरिवेटिव निकालने के लिए सबसे पहले हम एस बेंजाइल आइसोथोरियम साल्ट की प्रिपरेशन करेंगे। इसके लिए हमने 0.6 ग्राम ऑफ गिवन कंपाउंड लिया है। अब उसको हम 5 से 6 ml पानी के अंदर डिज़ोल्व करेंगे बाय हीटिंग। 5 से 6 ml पानी डालने के बाद अब हम इसको बर्नर पे हीट करेंगे। ये कोल्ड वाटर में डिज़ोल्व नहीं हुआ, अब हम इसको बर्नर पे हीट करेंगे, उसके बाद इसको डिज़ोल्व करेंगे। Now we can see that it dissolved completely in hot water.
Now add the drops of a phenolic indicator. Now add the annuals when become it will be pink color appears. Pink colors appear.
Thus we can see that the pink color appears. अब हमने 2 ग्राम एस बेंजाइल आइसोथोरियम क्लोराइड लिया है। अब हम उसको 5 से 6 ml पानी के अंदर डिज़ोल्व करेंगे। Now we will dissolve it. Now we will mix both these solutions to get PPTs.
Now appears precipitate of both solution by heating.
के लिए confirmatory test करेंगे. For this we have taken a small amount of that given organic compound and now we will add ethanol to it. We will add 2 to 3 drops of concentrated H2SO4 to this solution. After smelling this solution, we observed that it has a fruity smell. This means the oxalic group is confirmed.
Then we find the melting point of a given compound, this solution. Then observe the one angle 1